How to get and install Acer laptop drivers. Open up any reliable or preferred web browser that you can use on your end, but on this video, I'm going to be using Google Chrome. From here, just simply type in Acer drivers. You'll get a lot of options from here. Just simply choose on the one that will redirect you to Acer's official website. And from here, just simply choose on drivers and manuals, and then you'll have to input the serial number or the model number on your current laptop information. To get that, just go into the Windows icon, type in System Information, choose on this one. This is where you'll get your system model. Just simply copy this, paste it here, and then just simply download the designated or the one that you're looking for current driver on your Acer. And that's how you get and install Acer laptop drivers.